gonna show you how to do the top knot. I've been having a lot of requests on it. So I kind of already started. I went in and I just kind of wanded all of the hair to give it that beach wave look. And then I'm gonna show y'all how to, how quickly you can do this. So you take about 2 inches on the top of your head. And so the products I've used are the DOO.OVER spray, the Bedroom Hair, I prepped it with the anti-gravity. And then I always use POWDER.PUFF. It's in a little ball, it's pink, it's so cute. And it's a volumizing powder that turns into a thickening lotion. It's amazing. So I always sprinkle that in first. I'm sorry I don't have it today. So you spray that in and it just starts giving it that texture you want. So once you have your ponytail, go in and tighten it by pulling those pieces really close to your ponytail. And you'll see the different levels of hair, and that gives it that textured look. So then this is when I would go in, sprinkle the powder on it, and then go in and spray it with the Bedroom Hair as well as the DOO.OVER, because you want as much texture in this ponytail as possible. So the key is to get that tease, because this is gonna be your foundation. So I'm literally just teasing the base, okay? And that's gonna allow the bobby pins to have something to hold on to. So once you have that teased, you literally go in and start wrapping it around there. And don't worry about it looking messy, because that's what you almost want. So I wrapped it around about 3 times, and then I'm gonna go in with these little bobby pins and just kind of anchor them into the bottom. And what I'm doing is I go in and under. So like get a little bit of that hair and then scoop it under, and that kind of anchors it to your head. Okay, so that's just 2 bobby pins. I don't feel like I need that many. I might do 1 more. And then you go in and pull where you want it to look more textured. Now if you find you're wrapping it and it gets a little too high, then go in with the bobby pin, pinch down where you think it's too high and place it directly in there. And that'll just pull it back down. And then I always take my fingers around my hairline to kind of soften the look, pull those baby hairs out. I love baby hairs. And go in with the SESSION.SPRAY FLEX. And you got your top knot. Okay, if y'all have any questions, DM me. And if y'all want, I know I've talked a lot about the Bedroom Hair and the DOO.OVER, but the POWDER.PUFF is amazing. So y'all come see me in the salon and y'all can get some. I think it's $33. Okay? All right, y'all have a great day and a great weekend. Bye.